In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Submagic referral link to get free videos. We'll move through the process step by step so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening Google Chrome. Using Chrome ensures the site loads correctly and all buttons display as intended. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private window so you're only signed into your own accounts. Next, click into the address bar at the top, type submagic.so, and press enter. Double-check the spelling before you hit enter to avoid landing on a different site. You should arrive on Submagic's homepage. From here, look for the Login or Sign Up option and click it. If you already have an account, choose Login and enter your details. If you're new, choose Sign Up and create your account using the on-screen prompts. Keep your credentials secure and make sure you're using the account where you want any referral credits to be applied. Once you're signed in, find My Account at the top left of the page and click it. This is your hub for settings, usage, and any available promotions tied to your account. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to load or refresh once. Inside your account, look for an option labeled Get 15 Free Videos and click it. This section highlights Submagic's referral offer and directs you to where you can access your personal link. It's designed to be simple, so you shouldn't have to dig through menus. Now in the referral section, locate the copy button next to your invite link and click it. You should see a small confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. This link is unique to your account, so make sure you share it exactly as it is without editing any characters. With your link copied, you're ready to share it with friends. Post it in group chats, send it directly to people who might benefit from Submagic, or include a quick note explaining that they can sign up using your link. To maximize results, tell them briefly what Submagic helps with and why you like it. Avoid spamming and always follow the platform's guidelines wherever you share. Your account will receive free credits or usage based on Submagic's referral program terms, so check back in your account to see the updates as people sign up through your link. That's it. You opened Chrome, went to submagic.co, logged in or signed up, navigated to My Account, clicked Get 15 Free Videos, copied your referral link, and shared it to start earning rewards. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.